Here in the heart of Kashmir, and nature tells its own story. As I sit by the river, the world feels still, yet alive. The gentle sound of flowing water harmonizes with the soft whispers of snowflakes falling from the sky. This is not just a place, it is a feeling, a sanctuary where time seems to pause, allowing us to breathe and simply exist. Snowfall here isn't just a reason, it's a moment when the soul of the valley comes alive. From above, the valley looks like a dream. The river carves its path through the snow. It's a moment of a reminder of life amidst the stillness. The trees, dressed in white, standing tall and silent, as if guarding the serene beauty. Every inch of this land tells a story of resilience, harmony, and a love for the winters that shape our lives. There's something more deeply humbling about watching snowfall. Each flake is unique, yet together they create a landscape so perfect it takes your breath away. In moments like this, you realize how small we are in the grand design of nature, yet how blessed we are to witness its wonders. Snow feels like entering another world. The ground beneath your feet is soft, the sound of your steps muted, as if the earth is inviting you to move gently, to savor each moment. The trees bow under the weight of the snow, their branches like facework etched against the sky. Everything feels different, slower, calmer, a stark contrast to the chaos of everyday life. Snowfall in Kashmir isn't just about the cold, it's about the warmth it brings to our homes and to our hearts. I would like to go back to the stories our grandparents told us during winters these days. Stories of their youth, of how the snow was once even deeper, and how life through harder was filled with simplicity and joy. Lanterns lit the rooms and laughter filled the air. Those moments frozen in time are the treasure of our heritage, a reminder of the love and resilience that defines us. During snowfall, kava becomes more than a drink. It becomes a ritual. The saffrons, the almonds, and the aroma of spices. It's a taste of comfort, a reminder of the tradition that warms us within. Pair it with harissa and a number of cuisines to celebrate not just food but the essence of Kashmiri winter. For the children, the snow is magic. It's the canvas for their creativity, the playground for their joy. They dive into it, build snowmen with tiny hands, and throw snowballs with the purest laughter. Watching them reminds us of our own childhood, of the days when life was simpler, when snow was just not cold but an adventure to walk, embrace it. And then there's moment of solitude when the world feels like it belongs only to you. Walking through the snow with the sun casting its golden glow, you feel incredible, indescribable connections to this land. The snow-covered mountains stand as timeless, witnessing, watching over us as they have from centuries. In these moments, you realize the Kashmir is just not a place, it is a part of who we are. This is Kashmir, where every snowfall is a poem, every flake is a verse. It's a season that slows us down, brings us closer, reminds us of what truly matters: family, traditions, and the beauty of nature. The snow may melt, but the memories it leaves behind are eternal. As the sun sets, casting its warm hues over the snow, I am reminded of how fleeting yet profound these moments are. Snowfall in Kashmir is more than a sight. It's a feeling, a story, a piece of our identity. It's a gift from nature, one that we cherish, one that stays us long after the snow has disappeared. This is our Kashmir, our home, our winter wonderland. Let the snow fall, let the memories grow, and let this land continue to inspire the stories of our hearts.